Okay, so our first project is going to be a Google Slides presentation. For example, I'm using the Alaskan marmot here. So I chose a Google Slides theme before I began my presentation. I just picked one I thought that was aesthetically pleasing. And in order to change the images that I have here, I double click with my MacBook on the image, and then I click replace image, and usually I just search the web for a search term that I'm looking for, but if you want something specific you can do it as upload from computer. So I'm going to change this pumpkin pie here to the right to our Alaskan marmot. So same thing here. If I want to add a little extra flair to the titles of my slides, I can do word art. So I'm doing a kind of a combination here on this next slide of word art and that replace image. So looking at this delectable marmot curry, I have no idea what that is. Probably just chicken curry, but there you go. So for this presentation, I need your slides to look good. I really want to see that you're making an effort to make it aesthetically pleasing. Don't just do black and white. Give me some pictures. Okay. When you're presenting your animal, you need an INUPAC name. You need 5 interesting facts about your animal. You can find those all from that web page that I sent you. It links to the Alaska Wildlife Center webpage that has plenty of information for you. You need to get the scientific name, so when you click that link, the scientific name is right next to the common name. And you need a taxonomic hierarchy. So what do I mean by a taxonomic hierarchy? Well, I'd prefer to have you do a cladogram, but I thought that might be a little too difficult online, so I'm simplifying it here. So all I'm asking for is kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. And I will give you the first 3. So that's the animal kingdom, the chordata phylum, the Mammalia class, and then you have to figure out what it is from there. So I expect to see family, genus, and species. So you already got the genus and species, or you should, from the scientific name. But if you go to the itis.gov website, you'll be able to look these up in more detail. Now, it's going to get a little bit complicated. So if you look here, you have the family, genus, and species, but when you go there you'll see order, suborder, family, subfamily, and so on and so forth, and it gets a little complicated. So basically I'm just asking you to fill in the blanks, but I would like for you to take the time to go ahead and include a shape and connect the lines. So animal kingdom, what I did is I took shape here and I picked the oval and then I typed in it, and then I connected it with a line, and it was pretty easy. So I think you can do it too. So when you're done, your last slide should include your sources. So here I have itis.gov, I have the North Slope website, and I have the ADFG. This is the website on Alaska Department of Field and Game, so it has everything you need. If you go outside there, I'd like to see more than these 3 websites, please. Thank you. I hope that this project isn't too hard on you during this interesting time, and have fun with it. Hopefully I see you around.